Welcome to the office of your prosthodontist. As a new patient, you might be struggling with how to say the word prosthodontist. Well, don't worry, you're not alone. That's why we've prepared this brief video. You'll not only learn how to say that tongue twister of a word, you'll also learn exactly what a prosthodontist does and how he or she can help you today. So sit back and enjoy the video. And if you have any questions, please ask any member of our friendly staff. They'll be happy to help. If you've been in this chair enough times, you may recognize the difference between a general dentist and a specialist, like an orthodontist or a periodontist. But there's one type of dentist you may not know about. A group of highly educated and trained specialists dedicated to the health of the entire mouth. Prosthodontists.
A what?
A what?
What's that? Prosthodontist.
That's not a real medical doctor.
Proctal? Oh, no, I don't think so.
What is a prosthodontist?
I can only guess.
I have no idea.
Is it some kind of dinosaur?
I know what a prostate is. I would say a prostate surgeon.
A doctor that does prostate removals.
It's not a urologist. I would say removing teeth from the prostate.
Although it's not the easiest name to pronounce, prosthodontists are the first name in comprehensive dental care. Consider them the pros of healthy smiles. Prosthodontists take a whole mouth approach, undergoing intense training beyond general dentistry to focus on some of the most cutting-edge procedures in dentistry. They specialize in implants, aesthetic procedures to enhance the appearance of your smile, and reconstructive dentistry to help patients with missing or damaged teeth. Prosthodontists don't just help your mouth look better. Their goal is to help it feel and function better too. They do this by working closely with general dentists, other specialists, and dental technicians to supervise your treatment process. They can handle these cases because of extensive education and experience. Becoming a prosthodontist isn't easy. They undergo at least 3 years of additional training after graduating from dental school. Prosthodontic programs are rigorous, small, and highly selective. In fact, dentists from all over the world compete to be admitted into training programs here in the United States. That's why prosthodontics is only one of a few recognized specialties of the American Dental Association.
When we treat patients with multiple problems, the prosthodontist becomes the architect of the overall treatment. We're the ones who craft the treatment plan, and we're the ones who coordinate all the treatment. That's the way we're trained in a multidisciplinary environment in our graduate training programs.
I love the fact that you can integrate creativity, artistry, technical skill, and I think interpersonal relations all together, and use these skills on a daily basis to help change people's lives and improve their smiles.
Dental implants, an area where prosthodontists have pioneered new technologies, are rapidly becoming a popular option for baby boomers and their parents. While prosthodontists may recommend crowns, bridges, or dentures, dental implants have been successful for a wide variety of patients. They're not only healthier for your mouth, but they require less maintenance over time and prevent bone loss by helping to keep the jaw active. Dental implants also allow you to eat virtually anything with ease, whether you're replacing one tooth or an entire mouthful. And the procedure can be quicker and easier than ever before. What used to take months can now just take a couple of days.
Well, I arrived at the prosthodontist's office and noticed that his equipment was state-of-the-art. I also found out that he supervised the process from beginning to end. I was very happy that I had found a specialist who made me beautiful, beautiful teeth, and I'm very, very happy with the result.
Prosthodontists also provide a wide variety of aesthetic procedures designed to make your smile look better. From teeth whitening to porcelain veneers, prosthodontists give patients improved self-confidence. As more Americans than ever consider aesthetic improvements, prosthodontists are there to determine which option is best for the long-term health and comfort of your smile, not just which procedure may look the best in the short term.
Initially, my teeth were broken. My front teeth were broken, and I had gone to 3 cosmetic dentists and was very displeased with all the results of the 3 cosmetic dentists. Did research, and I was so glad I did the research and I discovered what a prosthodontist was and what they could do for somebody. After coming here, I was very pleased. The discoloration, there wasn't any more discoloration. My gums were healthy. The bite was much better. I wasn't self-conscious anymore about smiling. I didn't have any gray tone to them. I love to smile, and the results are just wonderful. I would recommend a prosthodontist to anybody in the field of looking to do any type of aesthetic or cosmetic dentistry.
It's very important that people try to take as long-term perspective as possible when doing an aesthetic restoration as well. We want to do something that's healthy for people, that will hold up as long as possible, as well as meeting their aesthetic needs.
Finally, prosthodontists specialize in reconstructive dentistry. They work with complicated cases on a regular basis, from patients with missing or damaged teeth to accident victims and patients with severe birth defects. Prosthodontists help restore smiles to patients who thought they'd never smile again.
You can see that the patients are just going to be leaving the office and feeling like they're on top of the earth. It's truly rewarding to be able to say goodbye to a patient and know that you've made such a dramatic improvement for them, whether it's functional or visual.
I always love to ask my friends, can you tell me which one of my teeth are not real? Can you point out the crown to me? And that's how good my prosthodontist is, because they are never able to tell me which one of my teeth are not mine and which one's a crown. They're never able to pick them out, and they are just amazed when they find out that it's my 2 front teeth that aren't mine.
Prosthodontists may even help in cases where a good-looking smile isn't the biggest concern. They work with patients who have sleep disorders, jaw pain, cancer surgery, even anorexia and bulimia. So, why should you see a prosthodontist? If you have complex needs, demand high aesthetic results, need someone who can oversee a procedure with more than one specialist, or want someone who has undergone rigorous training, then a prosthodontist is for you. He or she can manage the process and ensure that you are receiving the best care. Although they handle severe cases, prosthodontists can help even the healthiest smiles stay strong. Many celebrities choose prosthodontists for that red carpet smile. Patients are referred to prosthodontists directly from a general dentist or a specialist, by family physicians, and, most importantly, by satisfied patients. For more information, call the American College of Prosthodontists at 1-800-378-1260 or visit us online at www.prosthodontics.org. Even though you may still have some trouble pronouncing the word,
A bustodontist.
just remember one thing. If you think your smile deserves a specialist's care, make sure that you see a specialist with advanced education and training. Go to a pro, a prosthodontist.